Paper shredding.
Shred paper and use it for packaging material or as bedding for pets.
Homemade paper.
Turn old paper into new sheets through a simple DIY paper making process.
Papermush crafts.
Create art and crafts using paper pulp mixed with glue to form a moldable material.
Cardboard composting.
Shred cardboard and add it to your compost bin to enhance soil structure.
Gift wrap.
Reuse old newspapers, magazines, or paper bags for gift wrapping instead of buying new paper.
Notebooks from scrap paper.
Bind together leftover sheets of paper to create your own DIY notebooks.
Paper mosaics.
Cut paper into small pieces and create colorful mosaic art.
Seed starters.
Use newspaper to create biodegradable seed starters for your garden.
Paper collage art.
Combine various paper materials to make visually appealing collages.
Paper beads.
Roll thin strips of paper into beads for jewelry making or decorative purposes.
Magazine holders.
Create DIY magazine holders or organizers using sturdy cardboard or paper.
Paper sculptures.
Sculpt interesting shapes or figures using layers of folded or cut paper.
Eco-friendly confetti.
Shred colorful paper scraps for eco-friendly confetti at celebrations.
Paper bag book covers.
Reuse paper bags from grocery stores as book covers or for other craft projects.
Newspaper plant pots.
Fold old newspapers into pots for starting seeds or growing small plants.
Paper collage greeting cards.
Craft personalized greeting cards by combining paper cutouts in creative ways.
Wrapping paper bows.
Make decorative bows for gift wrapping using leftover paper.
Paper wall art.
Frame interesting paper patterns or cutouts to create unique wall art.
Paper picadoo.
Embrace the traditional Mexican art of paper cutting to make intricate designs.
Paper bag masks.
Create masks for costumes or play using brown paper bags and art supplies.
Origami creations.
Explore the art of origami by folding old paper into intricate shapes and figures.
Junk mail art.
Use unwanted mail and flyers to create unique pieces of art or collage.
Paper weaving.
Experiment with weaving strips of paper to make decorative patterns or baskets.
Paper quilling.
Roll thin strips of paper into coils and create intricate designs and patterns.
Book page crafts.
Repurpose old books into various crafts, such as bookmarks, coasters, or wall art.
Eco-friendly fire logs.
Compress shredded paper into logs to use as an eco-friendly alternative to firewood.
Papermush planters.
Use papermush to create unique and lightweight planters for indoor or outdoor plants.
Newspaper fashion.
Design and create clothing or accessories using old newspapers.
Rolled paper wall decor.
Roll paper strips into tight coils and arrange them to form eye-catching wall decor.
Paper bag puppets.
Make puppets by decorating and assembling paper bags for a fun and creative activity.
Paper decoupage.
Use cutouts from magazines or old paper to decorate surfaces through decoupage.
Rolled magazine coasters.
Roll magazine pages into tight coils and create colorful coasters for your home.
Collaged paper trays.
Design trays by gluing and sealing layers of paper cutouts for a decorative touch.
Papier-mâché pinatas.
Craft pinatas using papier-mâché techniques for festive celebrations.
Paper bag floor.
Create a unique and eco-friendly flooring solution using brown paper bags and glue.
Repurposed envelopes.
Turn old envelopes inside out, add new labels, and reuse them for your own correspondence.
Rolled newspaper art.
Roll newspapers into tubes and form intricate patterns or sculptures for display.
DIY paper stamps.
Carve designs into cardboard or craft foam and use them as homemade stamps.
Paper collage coasters.
Cut and arrange paper scraps into collage patterns on wooden or cork coasters.
Homemade paper picadoo garland.
Create festive garlands using colorful paper cutouts in the style of paper picadoo.
Rolled paper wall clock.
Construct a unique wall clock by arranging rolled paper tubes in a circular pattern.
Paper collage bookmark.
Craft personalized bookmarks using paper cutouts, adding a touch of art to your reading.
Newspaper silhouettes.
Cut silhouettes from newspapers and frame them for an elegant and minimalist decor.
Papier-mâché bowls.
Mold papier-mâché into bowls of various shapes and sizes for stylish and functional decor.
DIY paper party hats.
Create custom party hats using colorful paper and embellishments for special occasions.
Paper bag wall storage.
Attach decorated paper bags to the wall for a unique and eco-friendly storage solution.
Paper collage phone case.
Personalize your phone case by decorating it with a collage made from recycled paper.
Newspaper seed tape.
Create seed tape by combining newspaper strips with seeds, making it easy for planting.
Paper mosaic plant pots.
Glue paper cutouts onto plain plant pots to transform them into vibrant mosaic masterpieces.
Recycled paper jewelry.
Roll paper into beads or cut intricate shapes for one-of-a-kind jewelry creations. Thank you for tuning into Ecolution. I hope you found this video valuable. If you enjoyed what you saw or learned something new, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Please don't hesitate to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more interesting videos. Hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update.